Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the defrost heater assembly in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and remove both baskets. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the two screws, securing the left drawer front support bracket to the rail. Unthread the two screws, securing the right support bracket to the rail as well. Tilt the drawer front forward, then lift up to remove. Use the small flathead screwdriver to detach the retaining pin, securing the gear shaft. Slide the gear shaft to the right to remove. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the evaporator cover. Pull the cover outward from the bottom to detach. Disconnect the evaporator fan motor wire connector to fully remove the cover. Cut the zip tie bundling the defrost heater component wires together. Remove the two retainers securing the main wire connectors. Disconnect the middle wire connector connecting the defrost heater wires, as well as the smaller defrost heater wire connector. Remove the temperature sensor from its holder. Now carefully pull the evaporator away from the rear liner. Use the needle nose pliers to bend the retaining tabs to free the defrost heater. Release the defrost heater from the side retainer. Detach the defrost thermostat holder, and you can fully remove the old defrost heater assembly. To prepare the new defrost heater assembly for installation, transfer the thermostat holder from the old thermostat to the new one. Feed the loop side of the heater into the left side evaporator bracket. Snap the heater into the side retainer. Bend the retaining tabs back to fully secure the component. Snap the thermostat holder into place on the evaporator. Carefully push the evaporator back against the rear liner. Insert the temperature sensor into the holder. Connect the smaller defrost heater wire connector. Now connect the main wire connector and slide on the 2 retainers. Use a new zip tie to bundle the wires together. Reinstall the evaporator fan cover by first connecting the wire connector. Realign the top edge of the cover first, then press the bottom into place. Rethread the 2 mounting screws. Reinstall the gear shaft by inserting the end of the shaft with the retaining pin hole in the right side gear first. Then insert the opposite end of the shaft into the left side gear. Snap the retaining pin into place to secure the shaft. Reinstall the drawer front by aligning the support bracket tabs with the slots on the rails. Thread and tighten the left and right side screws to secure the brackets to the rails. Replace the 2 baskets. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.